The climate is changing fast and we need to do something about it. The amount of carbon there is in the forest or the amount of deforestation that's happening has that big effect on the climate.
Deforestation rates have been pretty constant at 1% a year.
Roughly 30% of the emissions reductions that humanity needs through 2030 could be provided by nature-based solutions projects.
Space Intelligence is a company that takes large amounts of satellite data and turns them into maps that can be used to save and restore forests across the planet. Around 2023, we got contracted to produce maps across 39 tropical countries. We needed to move onto the cloud and deal in much bigger data volumes. One of the key reasons that deforestation has carried on over the past decade is that nobody trusts data. We partnered with Microsoft to produce trusted datasets at scale, and that should unlock finance for protecting and restoring forests around the tropics.
We chose Azure and the Microsoft Planetary Computer ecosystem to build our stack because Azure provided high scale and remarkably affordable compute. And then it paired it with the Microsoft Planetary Computer, which is a petabyte scale archive of Earth observation datasets globally.
Over the last year, we have processed petabytes of satellite data and transformed this into 3 billion hectares of land cover and carbon maps, which is over 50 countries across the tropics. Our data production has increased 100 times in terms of speed, and our time for making a map has gone from 6 months to 6 weeks. We've been able to provide data for regulatory frameworks so that commodity traders and farmers for such as coffee and cocoa and soy can confirm that their products are not causing deforestation. I'm really excited for the opportunities to become more sustainable.
I feel there's a weight of movement of people and capital and the data that we produce that might enable that deforestation to stop and restoration to start to dominate.